And French President Emmanuel Macron has said that he will name a new prime minister in the coming days to prevent France from sliding deeper into political turmoil, rejecting growing pressure from the opposition for him to resign. This is after Prime Minister Michel Barnier, who resigned following a no-confidence vote in the parliament. In a 10-minute address to the nation, Macron rejected the opposition pressure to stand down. He has gone on to say that he is going to stay in his post fully until the end of the mandate in 2027. He thanked the outgoing Prime Minister for his dedication during his brief term as the Prime Minister and accused the French far right and hard left of collaborating in an anti-Republican front to bring down the government.
I'm currently standing in the French capital, Paris, just at Place de la République, and the French President Emmanuel Macron has delivered a speech to the French people just minutes ago. The speech is important because it was the first speech that President Macron delivered after the fall of his government. The government was led by a centre-right Prime Minister, Michel Barnier, who lost the vote of confidence in the parliament. The vote resulted in a 331 to 577 against Michel Barnier, who eventually lost the vote, and his government stands toppled as of Wednesday. Today is Thursday. It's Thursday evening. President Macron has just spoken to the people, and there are a couple of key things to take away from his speech that I'm going to talk you through right now. The first thing that is important is the big question of who the next Prime Minister will be and when the next government will be appointed. Now, to quote Macron, he said that in the upcoming days, a next Prime Minister and government will be appointed. So the timeline is not clear, but he definitely said in the upcoming days, a new Prime Minister and government will be put in place. The second key takeaway is about the budget, over which the no confidence motion took place in the first place. As far as the budget is concerned, Macron said that a new budget is going to be introduced as of mid-December. Now, whether that budget is going to pass or not is of course the question in the air, and it can only be decided after a new government is put in place. So that of course also remains something to be seen. The third thing that President Macron talked about is his own tenure, which he promised he's going to serve till its end, and it ends in May of 2027. So that is the third thing that Macron talked about. Other than this, he also did not fail to take a dig at the far right as well as the left. And in saying that, he said that the right and the left got united, came together against the French Republic. He said that they undid rather than did something for the French Republic. So those are the main key takeaways from what President Emmanuel Macron has just spoken to in his televised speech to the nation for the first time after the fall of his government. The big question on who the Prime Minister is going to be still looms large, and it's going to be seen in the upcoming days as President Emmanuel Macron says who will take reins of the French government. This is Paridhi Bhanot reporting for NDTV from Paris.